Hi guys, so come spend a day with us. Day 2 here in Boracay. It's 7:10 a.m. and then we're planning to go for a breakfast. So free naman siya dun sa accommodation namin. It's there in front. Sumakay kami papunta na Bulaco activity area. Doon kasi yung activity na papunta ng island natin. Ayan. Yes, we're here in Bulaco. Ayan. Punta kami dito sa Glatex. Yes, there.
Yung optional po siya po kasi kayo, bali may payment na po tayo na 300.
300.
Yes po. Pero tapos after po niyan, yung sa
300 each
lunch
yun?
area. Yes po. Lunch area, then hindi ko beach. Hindi po sana makapunta ng Pukalis po kasi malakas po yung ano.
So just few minutes, ayan. So we're going to Iligan Beach, yan. So for swimming doon. Puka Beach hindi daw siya good for this weather kasi maalon. And then Crocodile Island for snorkeling ta swimming. Tabon Beach, ayan. Doon kami pupudal flight lunch. So I'm so excited. Ayan. Kasi parang excited lang. Bakit? Yeah. So finally we're going. Be careful. So we're stepping to the floating garden. Floating garden. Island Cafe. So we're going
Ang kumago natin, buong crew, buong captain. Crew po natin, si
So
Kuya
they are
Carbo.
our
At
tourist
si
guide.
Sky to Beach.
Oh my god, it's so pretty.
It looks unreal.
We go there.
It's so amazing.
Wow. Crystal Cove. First stop, Crystal Cove. Are you happy?
Yeah, it's so beautiful.
Crystal Cove. So we're gonna get these entrance fee for Crystal Cove Island for 300 pesos each. And yes, we're gonna try this one. So pretty. Right? So we're heading now to Cove 1. Cove 1 is yung way here. And yes, finally, umaraw. Ganda yung weather today. So it leads to Cove 1. And yes, so sabi nila pwede daw doon mag-go at mag-stay for a couple of minutes. Oh, yeah. Oh my God. Ang ganda. Oh.
Jay, diyan ka lang saglit. Mag-video kayo kita.
Ayan.
Jordan has some pictures here in the cove. So, babalik na kami ko akyat. So, we are here now going to cave 2. Ang bilis. I think yung 300 entrance for Crystal Cove is for 40 minutes lang overall for the island. Yes. Kaya dapat mabilis. Ganun. So, Crystal Cove. It's going down. Ganda na. There is Budel Fight here, pero I don't know kung dito yan sa amin. Or there is also line there. Doon minsan may ano nila. Buffet. Buffet kineme. Hindi ko alam. Let's find out. Anyway, gutom na rin ng mga kaso. He's here and enjoy siya.
Get a lot.
He got a lot of barbecue kasi
Yes.
hindi siya kumakain ng seafood. Yeah. Yeah, so right now, yan umuulan. Oh my God. So we're going to Iligan Beach, snorkeling, swimming.
Looks like a dragon.
Sarap pa. We are heading out to Iligan Beach. Ayun, so gagawin namin kayak, crystal kayak, picture, tapos snorkeling. Ito siya, snorkeling siya. Yan. Snorkeling siya, tapos picture, swimming. So good. So nakapagkayak kami doon kanina. So, and then right now, ayan, so nakapag-photoshoot rin kami. So right now we're here in Iligan Beach. And yes, my god, the view. Crystal clear. Yun yung boat namin. Yun, nakapag-kayak photoshoot kami for 200 each. Magsiswim siya.
Magkayong namin natin ma'am. So yan po, ibibigay ko ng bonus.
So last activity guys, papa-experience ko naman sa kanya mag-snorkel. I can't breathe. Marunong siya lumangoy, ako hindi. Ayan, nag-enjoy siya sa snorkel. With bukaw. So yun lang, see you in my next video.